Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Chevy Traverse and I will show you the location of the rear wiper fuse. So this is the first thing you want to check in case your rear wiper is not working. This video should apply to Chevy Traverses made from 2009 all the way up to 2017. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the fuse you want to check will be located in the passenger's cabin under the glove box, so it's a bit hard to access it. So I will turn on the flash on my phone so you can see it better. So you will have like a small black door here to open. You see, just want to kind of pull it down and then you will get access to all of the fuses. So like I said, it's a bit hard to access it. You'll have to get into a bit awkward position, but it's doable. Okay, now the fuse responsible for the rear wiper will be this 15 blue fuse in the left column. So fourth from the bottom or fifth from the top. I hope you can see it here. I will try to pinpoint with my screwdriver as well. So this is the one. And this is the first thing to check. Now if this fuse is good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. You want to check the rear wiper switch, then you want to test the motor, you want to check the wiring and electrical connections. But there is a big possibility the motor failed, because that actually happens quite often on most of the vehicles. But you have to do your due diligence before that. Check the fuse, check the wiring, clean the connections and then test the motor. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.